The next question type is multiple answers. So this goes along with multiple choice. I'm going to choose new question. This is going to be question 4, and I'm going to make it multiple answer. So this is really multiple select. So I might ask, what is the role of the instructional coaches? And so I am going to add answer options. Develop and lead key PD, which is a correct answer. Um, Co-teach with teachers, also a correct answer. Tech support, not a correct answer. That's not a technical role. Now we could probably answer a couple questions, but that is Mr. Goff. We also coach teachers. So that's the correct answer. So I just add my answer options and then I select how many correct ones and or which ones are the correct answers. This one gets a little tricky. A lot of times I will make it out of 3 points, but then kids catch on and they realize that means there are three answers. But I could say, what are the three roles of the instructional coaches? And then I can make it out of 3 points. The way that Canvas grades it is if you make it out of 1 point and there's three answers, they'll give them point 3 for each of their answer options. And again, I can leave those comments and I update the question. And that's how I do multiple select.